So talk us through and explain what we're about to see.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. We're thrilled to have you here with us.
So far,
It's fun.
fun. It's awesome. Hey,
Yeah.
it's getting you inspired for your own racing. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get some driving tips.
Hey guys, Sean and I had so much fun at the IMSA Sports Car Grand Prix, and we wanted to share some behind the scenes footage. So we got to talk to factory BMW drivers, we got to talk to race engineers, see some amazing cars and hear some amazing cars. It was an awesome weekend, so here's some behind the scenes video footage, sights and sounds. It was pretty neat here because once we had our time to ask questions, we had about 10 minutes of talking about Sean's karting and their karting, and it was just really cool. Awesome guys. They're just amazing role models. So awesome. Way to go, Team BMW.
Hey Sean, where are we now?
Corvettes.
Corvette racing. These things are absolutely insane. There you go, Corvette racing. This is where the magic happens. Porsche GTLM, car 911 and 912. Insane. Total magic. Here we go, boys. That Turner getting all ready for another win, we hope.
Of that, it's got some incredible photography, some great articles, background on all the IMSA series racing here this weekend.
Running up to 3 different compounds at any given time on track. This weekend alone, we brought 3 different compound types to deal with the changing conditions, and as well, they'll use these compound types to work with the balance and the...
Here we go, a little Ford GT action, the GTLM class. Remember the first time we saw one of these? So sweet. The light's not very good, but it's very sweet, very clean. Here we go, Sean, pit lane.
Yeah.
Ready to go? Kick some butt.
She's critical for safety. Everyone got their visors down, goggles on. Well done, boys. Give it up for the boys.
And if you're not here, you're really missing something very special.
Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know Sean and I certainly will as we look back on it. If you've enjoyed it, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and follow our motorsport lifestyle.